Hey guys, what's up? So in the first video, our first part of the video, we learned how to create 2023 calendar flyer in Pencil App. Okay, and the part two, we are going to learn how to mock it up using Photopea. Okay, so just go on to any browser you have, any browser at all, and then just search for photopea.com. Okay, so this way. All right, so this is the interface of Photopea. It works basically the same as Photoshop. Okay, so this is the website version for Photoshop, something of sorts. So the first thing you have to do is just click on file. So this is the file right here, and then just click on open. So you're going to open the mockup file. Okay, so just click on open, and then you have my mockup file right here. All right, so wait for it to load, and then just go on to the layer panel. So that's the layer panel right here. Okay, so this is where you're going to place your flyer. Okay, so the first part is to place in front, and the second one is to place inside. So just click on or double click on the first part, which is the place in front. All right, so it brings you to another layer. Here you can go ahead and hide this and place inside here. Okay, so this way you can use two fingers to pan the screen, so either decrease or increase the size. Okay, so this way the next thing you're going to do is just go into file again, and then just click on open in place. So this way, open in place. Okay, and then just click on file. This way we are going to insert the flyer, rather not the mockup again. Okay, so the open in place is to insert the flyer. So just go into gallery. Okay, and then import your flyer right in the mockup. Okay, so done. All right, so you have to adjust the flyer to fill the whole interface of the of the mockup. Okay, so just adjust it. Okay, so at times Photopea is a bit slow, so you have to take your time and do it. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is just go to file again, and then just click on save smart object. Okay, so save smart object. All right, so it's been saved. So just go into the first window. Okay, so this is it. We see it's been added to the mockup. So that's how we are going to work. And then remove the logo at the base. Okay, so hide the so designed by Grafix, this one, just hide it. All right, good. And then you can use it to your preference. All right, so the second one we're going to do is to place the flyer inside. So this is for the front, so just go into layer again, and the second one is to place inside. So just double click on the second one this way. Now so I can hide this text. Just go on to file again, so file, and then open in place. Okay, so file. All right, so just go into your gallery and select the image. Okay, all right, so this way. All right, and the same process, just fill it up. The reason why the recesses is for instance, if you know the size of the mockup, you can look at the size of the mockup before you even start designing. But then if you don't know, you can go ahead and design, but some part of the design will cut off. Okay, so don't worry about that one. So just click on save or smart object again. All right, so that one too is being saved. Just go to the first window. All right, good. So our design is being added to the mockup. So this way we are done. The next thing you're going to do is to just save your design. So just go to file again, and then we have two types of saving. The first one can save it as PSD file, or the second one, which is the export. So you can just export it as PNG, JPEG, or any format that you want. So let me save it as PNG file. So just click on save. All right, and your design is being saved. This is very simple. This is how we go about mocking up your design in Photopea. So if you have any mockup, you want to mock up your design, just go on to Photopea and do that. But if you have Photoshop too, you can go ahead and use it. Thank you very much, and then see you in the next upload, which I'm going to show you how to use the PHP file. Okay, see you.